The national parks of India are a haven for a variety of animal species who have made a name for themselves and the national parks they live in. Pench Tiger Reserve is one such famed place in Madhya Pradesh. Known to be one of the most adaptable animals on the planet, mammals make the national parks in India a rich reservoir of biodiversity. With a lifespan of about 20 to 30 years, the spotted deer or cheetal is probably the first mammal that you will spot upon entering the Pench Tiger Reserve. Known to be one of the common deer species in Indian forests, they are also said to be most natural posers for the tourists. The spotted deers are good-looking creatures, ranging from golden to rufous in color. The white fur on the abdomen, throats, ears, and on the inner side of their tails further enhances their appearance. The spotted deer are also identified by the antlers over their head. Though thinner, the three-pronged antlers are equally impressive in terms of length and sweep. These are used in self-defense against predators as well as to settle scores with rival males, who are often found locking horns with each other. The spotted deers are primarily grazers, feeding on sprouting grass, shrubs, and fruits. Sometimes they can be seen standing on their hind legs to glance through the foliage of trees. They are active throughout the day and rest under shady trees around midday. Cheetals are particularly vocal species of deer, and their alarm calls are evocative sounds of the forest. An alarm call can get triggered at any time due to their nervous behavior, but is usually when they sense a carnivore around. Scent plays a strong role in mating behavior of many animals, and deer is no exception. The spotted deer has a prolonged mating season, as the perpetually warm climate allows females to remain fertile and to give birth to fawns at any time of the year. Being accustomed to the heavy volume of tourist traffic in Pench Tiger Reserve, the herd sometimes stands their ground out of curiosity. As the vehicles stop and the tourists get a fantastic photo opportunity.